Let's solve this calculus problem step by step. We need to prove that for the function y equals square root of x plus 1 over square root of x, 2x times dy dx plus y equals 2 square root of x. Let's start by simplifying our original equation. First, we can rewrite y as a single fraction by finding a common denominator. This gives us y equals x plus 1 over square root of x. Next, to make this easier to differentiate, let's multiply both sides by square root of x. This gives us square root of x times y equals x plus 1. Now, we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. On the right side, this is simple. The derivative of x plus 1 is just 1. For the left side, we need to use the product rule. Remember, the product rule states that the derivative of u times v equals u times the derivative of v plus v times the derivative of u. In our case, u is square root of x and v is y. Applying the product rule, we get square root of x times dy dx plus y times the derivative of square root of x. Remember, the derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x. Finally, to get our target form, we multiply all terms by 2 square root of x. This clears the fraction and gives us our final result. 2x times dy dx plus y equals 2 square root of x. And there we have it. We've proven that for our original function, y equals square root of x plus 1 over square root of x, the equation 2x dy dx plus y equals 2 square root of x is true.